Right. Um, well, this deck it screams engine. There is Embassy big money, which is good, but not good enough. Um, Scrying Pool engine possible, but I think too slow. I want Workshop to gain me farming villages. I want a silver. I am going to need some money. Eventually, the workshop can be used to get extra money as well. We're going to get a crossroads. That's fine. He's going for the scrying pool route. I am going to pick up a Margrave. And really a lot of stables. At some point could go for embassies, but could definitely put them back in this order. Although that may have been a mistake, because now I trigger this reshuffle. Interesting. Anyhow, in other stables. He's going to make me discard that. And those, interesting. And yet another stables. Margrave here. Crossroads actually gets a pretty good draw here. I can workshop even another village. And just want to pick up even a little bit more draw. And a second workshop, because I need to really start gaining a lot of, well, pretty much cheap cards, I think. Surprised he hasn't gotten a workshop. It should be pretty darn good for him. Definitely want to play all this stuff in this order, as it's going to maximize my draw. Here I get to draw everything. Probably should have played the workshops a little earlier, actually. But, oh well. And now a second Margrave, because I'm going to need more buys. And another farming village. Pretty soon. Yeah, we're going to start going for green. The crossroads will help on that front. His Margrave's going to hurt me a fair bit. Okay, just pick up the last villages here. And an oracle. Copper. Copper. Chop this copper. Margrave. Put him back. Put him back. Okay. A silver and a silver for sure. Province. Crossroads. And another oracle. And I think the big thing here is that's actually something he should let me keep. And he does. I'm actually going to do it. Oh, this, well, it's not going to matter, right? because he doesn't have any more actions left. Oh, and that's going to be a big problem for him, isn't it? Put back. Discard those for sure. Farming village. Margrave. Crossroads. Farming village. Stables. Farming village. Okay. Now gain before we go here. Oracle. Yes, excellent. Copper. Crossroads. Crossroads. I have plenty of extra draw. In fact, I'm going to want another buy. Really, more money is what I would like. But we'll settle for this. I can continue to use workshops to gain silvers. Okay, could be getting shut out here a little bit. I think this will maximize my draw a little bit. I mean, obviously I'm going to draw more on average with the second Margrave, but probably not going to need that many buys, and it's generally not so good to Margrave so many times if you're not going to use all that. Farming village, stables here. Farming village. Margrave. Gain more silvers here. Apparently I am going to draw a lot. Farming village, oracle. Discard those. Yeah, you can put those back. I'm looking actually for green to help my multiple crossroads draws. Okay, Margrave. Crossroads, also cycling as much as possible. Double province here. I am actually getting to the limits of what actions I can pull, so havens might start coming up, or just null plays on the workshops. Null plays on the workshops is actually a big idea. Maximize draw. I mean, okay, he's starting to be able to do stuff, but the problem is he's drawing everything. He only has this much money. So he can get like Scrying Pool and Province, and probably do that the rest of the game. But it shouldn't be enough. He's getting more draw, but he doesn't need more draw. He needs money. So he's getting that in the form of treasure, because he doesn't have enough actions to do otherwise. If he doesn't have a crossroads, he should pick one up. Okay, he does. And navigators would have been the ideal thing for the Scrying Pool, but it didn't happen. I don't want those for sure, and I don't want him to have those. Okay, this can't do anything. And in the interest of drawing, I think it is Oracle. Oh, and I hope I don't get hit here. The workshop I could gladly give up, but okay, good, cool. playing this in particular order. I want to maximize the crossroads draw. And okay. Yeah, let's just play it out. Like this. Margrave. If I have enough actions at the end, I'll workshop, like, I don't even know what. Discard through there. And actually, I definitely do have enough here to be able to pick up these silvers. Pretty cool. And he says, yep, clearly this didn't work out for me. That's true, but it's hard to tell that at the beginning sometimes. Anyway, you know? Yeah, definitely discard those. I'm going to make him discard no matter what, since I know I can end it. Yeah, I guess put those back, because it has a green card. I need more actions. Oh. Well, that'll work too. They're the same. Okay. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.